What makes one man a good dancer and another a flop? Scientists in England can now tell us. The team at Northumbria University filmed 19 volunteers and turned the images into avatars, computer-generated figures with no details to make them more or less attractive. Women then rated the routines, and the data tells us what men the world over need to know, according to psychologist Dr. Nick Neve.
Across the animal kingdom, males dance. They perform very demanding rituals for females. And females prefer those guys who are stronger, more physically active, more healthy. And that's conveyed in their dance. And we wondered if the same thing was happening in human males.
The study found that 8 movement variables made the difference between a good and a bad dancer.
That it's the movements of the head, the neck, and the upper body. And these movements are large movements, but they're also variable. And we think that that's showing flexibility, stamina, strength. Guys that are carrying out very stereotypical, rigid movements are not thought of as good dancers.
The findings suggest women like large and varied movements involving the neck and trunk and the speed of the right knee. And there was some good news for the bad dancer. All is not lost. Well, not completely lost.
Because we found that the core body is key, if you've got a strong and flexible core body, and you can develop this by things like yoga or Pilates, for example, then if you've got that, and then if you could go and do some dance classes like salsa classes or street dance classes to get a bit of, variability, a bit of creativity, a bit of rhythm, that's going to help you enormously.
Hope for some, it seems, although 2 left feet are still going to be a considerable drawback. Stuart McDill, Reuters.